guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious recipe for chicken feet. So for this you're going to be needing some chicken feet. I purchased mine from Walmart and I already went ahead and washed and rinsed it. I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys exactly how I clean my chicken feet, so please check out that video. I will leave the link down in the description box for you guys to check out. And I'll be using 2 tablespoons of my Haitian spice or Caribbean green seasoning. I do have a video of this as well. I will leave the link down in the description box also. And you need 2 teaspoons of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I have 1 habanero pepper that I'll be using. If you don't like heat, you definitely can leave this out. And I have some parsley and thyme tied together, and a piece of bell pepper poked with some cloves. And I have 1.5 Roma tomato. Mine is frozen, but you can definitely use fresh Roma tomatoes. And I'll be using about 1 teaspoon of this sour orange. But if you have lime or lemon juice, you can use that as well. And I'll be using 3 cups of water and 1 onion to garnish my my stew. And of course some salt and pepper to taste. And if you want to use Maggie cube, you can definitely use a Maggie cube. I know a lot of you guys don't care for Maggie cube, but that's always optional. If you want to, you can use it. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, you want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high, and I'm going to take that a piece or that green seasoning and just mix it with all my chicken feet. Just mix it in really good together. I basically treat it like I would treat any other meat when I'm making some type of Haitian stew. So I do the same thing when I'm making stewed chicken, and I do have videos of those up on this channel. I will leave all the link for them down in the description box. So if I would make beef stew or anything like that, I would basically do the same thing. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my tomatoes. Again, if you like using Maggie cube, I don't mind using Maggie cube myself, so I might put half in there, but it is definitely optional, like I said in the beginning of the video. And then I'm going to put my parsley and thyme. And I'm going to put that lime juice or sour lemon juice in my case. And add 2 cups of or 3 cups of water. And save the other cup. And of course you want to add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt, or to your own liking. And now you want to go ahead and cover this up and let it cook until our chicken feet is nice and tender. It might take a good 30 to 45 minutes or even an hour. Just make sure you keep checking on it so the water don't dry out, and if it dry, that's why we save the other cup of water. You can always add that to it. So let it cook for a good 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and my chicken feet is actually cooked pretty good. It's pretty soft, but it's definitely not falling apart. So now what I'm going to do is take it and pour it into a dish. Be careful. And you want to bring that pot right back onto the stove and try to remove all the bits out. And now to that I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. You guys, I know not everybody like this, but it's chicken feet. Most of us do eat chicken, so like I said, if you don't like it, you don't have to make it. But this was a highly requested video, and I don't mind chicken feet. I don't eat this every day now, but I don't mind eating it once in a great while. But my husband will not even try it, and my kids don't even eat it. So I usually have a friend that come over that will eat it with me. I don't mind it. So you want to set your stove still on medium high, and now you want to go ahead and fry your tomato paste, just because I don't like the taste of raw tomato paste in my stew. And if you haven't, guys, please go follow me on Facebook and go like my Lamise Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and also come snap with me on Snapchat. As always, I will leave the link for those down in the description box. And if you guys don't like chicken feet, please do not go overboard with the thumbs down. Spare me, guys. This is a request, and I have to make sure I make all my subscribers happy. So all I'm doing again is just frying my tomato paste. Okay, now I want to take a little bit of the gravy and just mix it in, just to have a smooth paste before I add in my meat. Just like this, nothing crazy. And now you can go ahead and put the whole thing in. And I did end up using that whole 3 cups of water because it got a little dry, so I did add the other half cup or the other cup of water. And I'm going to be eating this with some burger, or however they say it, but it's blé in Creole, and I do have a video up in this channel showing you guys how I make that as well. Or you can eat this over some white rice if you want. So I need a little more gravy to mine, so I'm going to add another extra cup of water. So I'm using a total of 4 cups of water, basically. And just mix everything. And of course you want to go ahead and give it a taste. Making sure my salt is enough. With everything you cook, guys, you always have to make sure you taste your food. And then this is where I'm going to add my heat, the habanero pepper. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our onions, and it will basically be it. So allow this to simmer for a good 15 minutes. Alright guys, my chicken feet stew is pretty much done, and you can tell when they are cooked, the meat is basically falling off the chicken feet, I guess you call it. But yeah, the meat is basically falling off the bone, and that's when you know it is done. Mine is nice and tender. I just tried one and it's pretty delicious. I don't mind it. So now all I'm going to do is add some onions on top. This is optional, you don't have to if you don't eat onions. And this is pretty much it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please go easy on the thumbs down. But please share this video, guys, with other people who would enjoy this recipe, of course. But as always, this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.